Good morning. This is Mark Soderberg from ADM Investor Services with your early ag market outlook for Tuesday, August 22nd. Markets here as we come into the morning hours firmer pretty much across the board. Corn's up 1 to 2. Beans are 2 to 3 better. Meal is up $3 to $5 a ton. Oil is backing up another 40 to 50 points. Higher across the board, all three classes, and wheat as well, pretty much 3 to 5 better. Two-sided trade overnight. There was really no breaking news this morning out of the Black Sea region. Yesterday, speculative traders, they were light buyers in soybeans and meal, while being sellers in the corn, wheat, and the soybean oil. Crop ratings yesterday afternoon, pretty much in line with expectations after improving the past 2 weeks. Corn ratings did slip back a bit, down 1% to 58%, good to excellent. The crop condition index fell to 79.9, slightly above year-ago levels. 5 states saw conditions improve, while 13 states saw conditions pull back. Current ratings, to me, suggest an average yield of about 174.5 bushels an acre, and production just over 15 billion. Now, that's down 57 million from last week's estimate, but very close to the USDA's 15.111 billion bushel figure in August. 78% of the crop is in the dough stage, while 35% of the crop is dented, both just above their historical averages. In soybeans, ratings there held steady at 59%, good to excellent. There was a 1% shift, however, from fair to very poor, so that did result in the crop condition index slipping to 80.2. That's right at its historical average. 7 states saw conditions improve, while they fell in 11 states. Current ratings suggest an average yield of 51.8 bushels an acre, unchanged from last week, with production at 4.286 billion versus the August USDA forecast at 4.205. That said, however, we do expect significantly lower ratings next week given the forecast for this week. 86% of the crop is heading pods, also just above the historical average. So a pretty sizable drop in the spring wheat ratings, down 4% to 38%, good to excellent. The crop condition index fell to 76.4. That is the lowest level for this year. Ratings suggest an average yield of 42.1 bushels an acre. Production at 453, just a smidge above the USDA's 450 million bushel estimate. Harvest did advance to 39% complete, so we'll probably get one more crop condition report before the end of the year. Pro Farmers Crop Tour Day 1 results were in. South Dakota corn yields were coming in, according to their tour estimates, at 157 bushels an acre. That's well above year-ago levels at 118.5 and the 3-year average of 150. Pod counts at just over 1,013, up from 871 year ago, but just below the 3-year average of 1,040. A much different picture in Ohio, with yields there forecast at 184 bushels an acre. That's up from 174 a year ago. Pod counts at 1,254, also well above year ago and the 5-year average. Day 2 of the crop tour, they start to move towards the center of the country with final results out on Friday. Weather-wise, continue to look at a very hot, dry pattern, the balance of this week, with limited prospects for rain. One model does offer some prospects for 1 to 2 inches of rain across areas of Nebraska and Missouri here late this week. We will see a brief bout of cooling with some chances for some scattered showers across the north, but really no established systems here right through the end of the month. So we continue to look for stressful conditions for the crop, lower ratings here down the road. So we'll see how this all comes together here over the balance of this week and into next week. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day.